Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury. Today, we're taking a journey back in time, to an era of chrome, character, and craftsmanship. Say hello to the 1950 Chrysler New Yorker, a true symbol of post-war American luxury and engineering. Exterior. The 1950 Chrysler New Yorker was a statement on wheels, big, bold, and undeniably classy. Measuring nearly 213 inches long, this full-size sedan was part of Chrysler's top-tier lineup, and it showed. It featured a signature egg crate grille and a prominent hood ornament. Massive chrome bumpers provided both function and flash. The body had sleek lines with pontoon fenders that flowed into the shape of the car. White-wall tires and full hubcaps with the Chrysler crest gave it a luxurious touch. Optional two-tone paint schemes added even more visual appeal. It wasn't just built to look good, it was built to look expensive. This was a car designed to impress from the curb. Interior. Step inside, and the New Yorker's cabin tells another story, one of refined luxury, designed for the American upper class. You'd find plush broadcloth seats, with leather as an option. The wide three-spoke steering wheel featured the Chrysler medallion at its center. The metal dashboard was symmetrical and stylish, with large, easy-to-read analog gauges. It came with an integrated clock, AM radio, and heater, high-end features for 1950. There was room for 6 adults thanks to wide bench seats and generous space all around. Everything inside the New Yorker was built to feel substantial. It wasn't about minimalism, it was about presence. Performance. Under the hood, the 1950 Chrysler New Yorker came with a mechanical marvel, the Spitfire straight-8 engine. It was a 5.3-liter inline-8 engine producing 135 horsepower at 3,600 RPM and 255 pound-feet of torque. It could reach a top speed of around 95 miles per hour, with 0 to 60 in about 17 seconds, not fast today, but more than adequate for its time. It also featured Chrysler's fluid drive semi-automatic transmission, a unique combination of a manual gearbox and a torque converter, allowing smoother, clutchless driving in certain conditions. The New Yorker wasn't a muscle car. It was a cruiser, smooth, silent, and unhurried. Perfect for the open roads of post-war America. In 1950, the Chrysler New Yorker wasn't just transportation, it was a status symbol. With elegant design, luxury features, and innovative engineering, it helped define what it meant to drive in style during the golden age of American motoring. Would you drive one today? Whether you're a collector, a history buff, or just a fan of great design, the 1950 Chrysler New Yorker remains a shining example of American automotive heritage. Like what you see? Hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car deep dives, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite car from the 1950s?